Good morning, sir, and thank you for being a part of School Leadership Digital Learning. Welcomes you here. Sir, I just wanted to know, as everybody knows you, but still we want some profile from your side. Tell us about yourself and your school.
Sure. Happy to be here. This is my second time at a conference organized by ELETS. Last time I came in for the World Education Summit, and here I'm again. My name is Prajod Rajan. I'm the co-founder of EuroKids International. We run a chain of preschools, and we also run K-12 schools. We started this effort in India in 2002. We started with 2 preschools, and today we have a nationwide network of about 900 preschools in about 380 towns and cities. We've also ventured into K-12 in 2009, and now we have a total of about 10 K-12 schools spanning about 6 cities. Put together, we have closer to about 90,000 students who study with us across our K-12 and our pre-K network across India.
Sir, I just wanted to know how important you find school leadership in today's time, where we talks about ICT, where we talks about extracurricular activities. How important you find out?
So, people make all the difference, right? And especially when it comes to something as important as education, I think it is all about people. It is, yes, of course, about processes and few other things, but I think that the largest weightage that one would need to give is on people. And building teacher capacity and school leadership capacity is the #1 requirement for this country. And I think that this effort is in the right direction because it is so important that leadership and their capacities be developed. We are all what we see, hear, and read, right? So it's so very important.
So, how important if we talks about your association with digital learning, you find out what do you think in today's event, what digital learning board can do in this field, in this regard?
I think digital learning has been at the forefront of many of these initiatives, and I've seen this when I attended the WES last year. I think it was a great effort to bring all stakeholders. I think children are our most important asset, right, in India, and to bring all stakeholders together, whether it is entrepreneurs, whether it's teachers, whether it is school leadership, whether it's the government, it's absolutely important for everybody to come together to be able to share, to be able to kind of connect with each other in the greater interest of the young child whom we all serve.
So, in terms of school leadership, it talks about how your school of chains, thinks that they will be the forerunner in this regard?
We're trying to make the difference. We are still, as I call, toddlers in the K-12 section, because we just started about 8 years back. This is our 8th year in the K-12. But we're making some very serious effort, because I think that our intent is well placed, and our focus is on imparting what we call as 21st century skills, and that's the drive that we have. We think about education, we think about children coming to school not to get schooled, but to get education, and that's the difference that we're trying to make.
What do you expect in today's events, day long conference?
So I'm looking forward for the day today to, like I said, meet a lot of people, to be able to hear a lot of views, and I think that this will be a learning and an enriching process for me too.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.